Subscribe for more Dogecoin. Dogecoin in spotlight as cryptocurrency backer Musk makes SNL appearance. With the price of Dogecoin surging, investors are looking ahead to Elon Musk's guest host spot on this weekend's Saturday Night Live after the billionaire's tweets this year turned the once obscure digital currency into a speculator's dream. Musk is the rare business mogul to be asked to host the venerable comedy TV show. The unconventional CEO has posted numerous comments about cryptocurrencies on Twitter and criticized regular old cash for having negative real interest rates. "Only a fool wouldn't look elsewhere," he said in February. His cryptic tweets "Doge" and "Dogecoin is the people's crypto" that month kicked off a rally in Dogecoin, created as a joke on the more mainstream Bitcoin and Ethereum, that has yet to stop. On Thursday, Musk tweeted, "Cryptocurrency is promising, but please invest with caution," with a video clip attached in which he said, "It should be considered speculation at this point, and so don't go too far in the crypto speculation." But he also said in the video that cryptocurrency has a good chance of becoming what he called the future currency of the earth. "My Dogecoin went up after you tweeted," one person shouted at Musk in the video. "You're amazing. How did you do it?" On crypto data tracker CoinGecko.com, Dogecoin has jumped more than 800% over the last month and is now the fourth largest digital currency, with a market capitalization of $81 billion. It was last up nearly 14% on the day at $0.62. It has overtaken more widely used cryptocurrencies like Litecoin and Tether. The latest surge in Dogecoin is a continuation of the greater fool theory trend we've seen playing out over the past couple of months, said David Kimberly, analyst at investing app Freetrade. More people are aware of what's going on and are looking to jump on the gravy train to make a quick buck. It's very likely that Elon Musk pumping the coin tomorrow on primetime US TV will only serve to compound things and push the price up. Tesla said in February it bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and would soon accept it as a form of payment for its electric cars, a large stride toward mainstream acceptance that sent Bitcoin soaring to a record high of nearly $62,000. Tesla shares closed 1.3% higher at $672.37 on Friday. The Tesla and SpaceX chief executive's penchant for internet meme-making will provide ample assistance to the madcap minds behind the comedy sketch show. Musk's many far-flung business ventures, from self-driving cars to Mars-bound rockets to Dogecoin boosterism, only add fodder. While it's impossible to know what sort of zany ideas SNL comedians are entertaining, Musk's general unpredictability complicates matters. "I'm a wild card, so there's no telling what I might do," he teases in one promotional clip. The most clamored for possibility involves Dogecoin, a joke cryptocurrency that features frequently in Musk's Twitter posts. Amid a speculative frenzy, the digital funny money's price has zoomed more than 12,000% to more than $0.60 per coin since the start of the year. A good chunk of that run-up took place soon after Musk tweeted on April 27, "The Dogefather SNL May 8. Presumably any Dogefather skit will involve mafia satire." When comedian Bill Burr appeared on the show in October, he played a politically incorrect mob boss whose social graces were out of tune after the 20 years he spent in jail. In another variation on the theme in 2016, Pete Davidson pleads for more time to repay a $20,000 loan during a meeting with a Godfather-type figure. Peter Dinklage interrupts the tense situation by performing a ridiculous techno song, Spacements, on stage at the Italian restaurant meeting place. Analysts in the digital asset market say the price move likely reflects a speculative fever among retail traders rather than deeply informed bets on the Ethereum Classic blockchain's future technological potential. The dynamic might show that the just-for-fun yucks of trading the joke token Dogecoin might be spilling over to almost left-for-dead cryptocurrency projects from the last big bull market in 2017. Few cryptocurrency market analysts see Ethereum Classic as possessing the disruptive potential of Ethereum or other up-and-coming blockchains like Binance Smart Chain or even Cardano. But to retail traders looking to bet on price go up, the etc. tokens might be looking pretty good and cheap. I think a lot of the interest has to do with the fact that Dogecoin has moved so much and U.S. retail is looking for the next big asset. Joshua Frank, co-founder and CEO of crypto data firm The TA, which tracks social media interest in digital asset markets. Thanks for watching.
If I were them, I'd be paying a little attention because when it's 3 trillion, then 4 trillion, then 5 trillion, when grandmas start buying it, and people start being ripped off and ransomware is going in 100 cities, not 30, I think you're going to have an uproar about what was allowed to happen.
That was JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon speaking to the Investment Companies Institute's general membership meeting. I want to talk more about Dogecoin. It keeps climbing. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency nearly doubling over the past week alone. This ahead of Elon Musk's appearance on SNL this weekend. Kate Rooney joins us with more. Good to see you this morning, Kate.
Hey, Andrew. Good morning. Great to see you. Elon Musk has been a pretty public fan of Dogecoin since at least last year, but he's been stepping up those cryptocurrency mentions recently as its price surges. The Tesla CEO called it, quote, the people's crypto back in February. That was when Dogecoin was trading around 5 cents. Then in April, he tweeted about SpaceX putting a, quote, literal Dogecoin on the moon. When Musk announced his SNL appearance, calling himself the Doge Father, it started trending on Twitter, and the coin shot up about 40% that week. Overnight, Musk tweeted out a TMZ interview where he talks about the cryptocurrency, telling buyers to, quote, invest with caution. The digital asset is based, you guys, on a meme of this Shiba Inu dog. It started as a joke back in 2013. This year, though, it's up more than 12,000%. I've talked to a number of newer Dogecoin investors who see Musk and other celebrities talking about it as the main price driver. And guys, it's not just bets on Dogecoin ahead of the weekend. The frenzy is making its way to online gambling markets. Odds makers are setting up prop bets around.
Cryptocurrencies do need regulation, but what kind? Let's bring in Caitlin Long, Avanti Chair and CEO, and Ryan Selkis, Masari co-founder and CEO. Welcome to both of you. We'll get to the regulation point in just a moment, but Caitlin, let me begin with you in a kind of sort of freshman crypto course here. Teach me, if you wouldn't mind. What's the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum and Dogecoin? We tend to compare them and tend to compare their returns. Are we making a false comparison?
It is a false comparison. The technology is actually quite different, especially between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is designed to do one thing really, really well, which is to be a monetary base, a base money. Ethereum is designed to do something else really, really well, which is to provide a smart contract capability. So from a technology perspective, they really are quite different. And Dogecoin definitely is getting a lot of attention these days, but it's actually the Bitcoin core code from several years ago that engineers have recently picked back up. It's not that different than the original Bitcoin core code.
Is Dogecoin real, or is it a joke?
Well, it's both.
It's both. It's like certs. It's like a breath mint and a candy mint.
Sure, right. I mean, the code is real, right? And it's entirely